everyone, it's Melissa of Butterfly Planner and welcome back to another plan with me. This week I am going to be using this sticker kit from BellasStickerShopCo. I have shown her stuff before. She just has the most adorable little sticker kits and I just love her hand-drawn characters so much. So I'm using this kit, I believe. I'll put the name of it here because I cannot remember it right now. Because we are getting a cold spell and yeah, it may snow. We'll see. If you watched my last plan with me, you'll know I'm filming ahead because I have a friend coming into town, and so I'm trying to get ahead with all my planning stuff. So I'm really excited to use this kit. Like I said, just super cute. And yeah, so let's get going with it. I've used one of her kits, but I think it was in, yeah, it was definitely in my PP weeks, like in the fall. So it never seen it in a nice big, something just fell off the table. So she's definitely has a lot of stuff in her kits, and yeah, I'll definitely, gosh, I'm saying definitely a lot. I will for sure put her shop link down below in the comments or, you know, the description. So there's not a lot I know ahead right now for the next week because it is kind of far out. But there are a couple things that I do know are going to happen, so I can put those in. And yeah, I did forget to mention in my last video, which bad on me, bad shop owner, is that new releases went up when this goes up last Friday. So if you want to check out the new February new releases, go check them out because there's some really cute kits. I did 4 new kits, and then I did a what do you call it, a 2 new monthly kit sets. And I've gotten questions about this because I guess it kind of confuses people, but you can choose for the monthly kits them to be for whatever month. Like there's a drop down menu that tells you that you can be like, oh, I want to make it for the month of April, or I want it for the month of February, or hey, I want to use it for both. So yeah, you can do that. You can make it for whatever month you want. You want to use it every day for the rest of the year, you totally can. It's up to you. Which I think is pretty cool because I know that I sometimes feel like I don't want to use it for that month, but it would look cute for this month, you know, kind of thing. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this kit, it is on matte paper, so it's not like my paper, but her cut lines are really good for as new a shop as she is, so I really highly recommend her. I know I've been trying out a lot of new shops lately, and I feel good about that because I love supporting other small shops and just other working business people in general. Like if you're gonna have the cojones to get working on and start your own shop, I think that's, or sell something, I think that's amazing. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use this one here and do like I did last week where it's kind of just a little bit above. Then let's do our, I'm gonna do a weekly to-do list. I'm gonna use this one and I'm gonna put to do. Like this, a little bit of space, and then this down. There we go. Very cute. She does not have any washi. Because this bottom washi is so big, I am gonna put, she has a Seppers, like a, oh, this is only Monday through Friday. That's not gonna work. Never mind. That would be good for like your work schedule. I guess I can do like a, I don't think I have any Happy Meal coming in, so I'm not gonna do that, but I'm gonna grab these. Here, and I think I'll use one of these glitter headers in between. I don't know why, but I really enjoy using the, like a washi or something in between instead of having white space. I feel like it blocks it, like compartmentalizes it together, you know? I don't know. So let's go. And then I'll just do this. I'm gonna put this down now because I need something here. What can I do? Basically used all of that. That's awesome. Something for right. I don't want to use all these because that'll, oh, there's more over here. Maybe I'll use the cute little bear. I forget what her little characters' names are. I'll use the cute little bear here. And put that here. There. Oops, I totally wrinkled that. There we go. So cute. So let's get our full boxes going. I'm gonna put this first one right in the middle, and then I'm gonna stagger them. It's like my favorite way of doing it. I'm gonna do that for Friday. I don't know why. There's just something in me that's like, let's do that one Friday. Okay, this says a quote on it. It says, I may lose my balance, but I never lose my destination. And I think that's really cute. So I'm gonna put that down here on this one. And then we'll put one in the middle again. I'll put the snowy guy right there in the middle. I love snowmen. They're like my favorite. I'm gonna put this one here. Saturday we'll do way up here. And then Sunday we'll go back in the middle. One page done. Okay, so the only things I know that are for sure happening is that on Wednesday, my friend is leaving. She's going back home, so I will be very sad. But it'll have been nice to have seen her. And then Monday is gonna be like a relax, recover from the weekend kind of day. So I'm gonna go find one of like my tired Tiggeros and maybe we'll get to sleep in. I never get to sleep in though because my cat wakes me up. That's why. Okay, so I'm gonna use, those are insomnia. I think I'll use this one just because it's kind of like, it's not that I'm pooped or tired. I mean, I will be, but it's more like relax. So I'm gonna put this and down like this, and then kind of go like that. It can always be changed. I'm going to put this little half box here as like a mini to-do list, because I'll have to like clean up the room and put things back in order. So I can put that there. Monday and Tuesday, I think my nephews are coming over, but since I don't know for sure, I kind of don't want to put it down. Let me see if I have a Sweet Pie Design sticker that would go with it, with the colors, because they come up off the paper pretty easily. I do. So, because these are removable, so I'm gonna take these two. I think my nephews will be over on these days, so I'm gonna leave it blank until then. But there is the week. Oh my gosh, it is so freaking cute. I will write in the dates later, but oh my gosh, I love it. So definitely check out a BellasStickerShopCo. Link is down below. She has nice quality matte stickers. Her kits are 4 pages, and you can see I still have used up pretty much 2 pages, and I still have all these that I can use to fill in lots of checklists and stuff like that. So definitely check her out, and I will see you guys in the next one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.